If you're wondering how to create multilingual content using AI, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn your existing content into multiple languages with minimal effort using AI. This method is fast, effective, and perfect for anyone looking to expand their audience globally. So, here's the process. First, you'll need a reliable AI translation software. There are a lot of tools out there, but after testing several, I found one that stands out. The software we'll be using today simplifies everything and is perfect for quick translations while keeping the meaning and tone intact. Don't worry, I'll give you an exclusive free trial to try it for yourself. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's dive into creating multilingual content. The first step is to input your original content into the software. This can be a blog post, an article, or even a social media caption. You'll paste it into the platform, and within seconds, the AI begins its magic. The best part? It recognizes the context and can even detect regional dialects, so your translation stays natural and accurate. Next, you want to review the translation. AI does a great job, but it's always a good idea to quickly skim through it to make sure nothing got lost in translation, especially with more nuanced phrases. Our software gives you the option to tweak or edit any section, ensuring everything sounds just right. Once you're happy with your translation, you can start publishing in multiple languages. This is where the power of AI really shines. You can create versions of your content for different regions without having to hire multiple translators. Plus, it saves you time, which is always a win. Another tip for maximizing your multilingual content. Once you've created a translated version, don't forget to localize it. This means adjusting for cultural context, such as regional sayings or preferences. AI tools can't always get this part perfect, but it's something worth checking manually. You want your content to resonate with each audience, not just translate words. Remember, creating multilingual content with AI is not just about translation, it's about connecting with a global audience. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or content creator, reaching new markets can significantly boost your reach. And with AI, you can do it efficiently and accurately without a huge budget. Quick recap of what you need to remember. First, use a reliable AI translation software for quick, accurate translations. Second, always review and tweak your content for accuracy and natural flow. Third, don't forget to localize your content to make it more relatable to each culture. Before you go, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and you can find the link in the description below. That's all for today, and I hope this helps you create multilingual content using AI quickly and easily. See you in the next one.